In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping regions and methods in the Wix editor. Let's dive in and get your online store ready to ship your products efficiently and effectively to your customers. First things first, head over to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings menu, where you'll see an option for shipping, delivery, and fulfillment. This section is crucial as it will house all the shipping strategies you need to get your products to your customers. Now, let's click on it. Next, you'll want to create a shipping region. This is essentially defining where in the world you'll be willing to send your products. So, click on the plus Create Region button. Give this region a name. Remember, this is primarily for your reference and won't be visible to customers. So feel free to label it in a way that's recognizable to you. For instance, you might want to name it after a continent or a specific country, depending on the geographic scope of your shipping operations. Once you've settled on a name, it's time to add destination countries, states, or provinces to this new region. Here's where you can fine-tune exactly where you'll be shipping to. You can select multiple countries, or even get granular by choosing specific states or provinces within those countries. If you need to, click the Edit button next to a country to select or deselect specific areas within it. Once you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click Continue to solidify your choices. Now, with your region set up, you'll be prompted to add a delivery method and set your shipping rates. This is a key factor in determining not just cost for you, but also appeal and convenience for your customers. There are a few different delivery methods you can choose from, such as flat rate, rate by weight, and rate by price. For a flat rate shipping option, you'll need to enter a clear name that customers will understand, like standard shipping. Then, provide an estimated delivery time and set a fixed price for this shipping option. If you prefer to tailor your rates based on the weight of the customer's total order, select Rate by Weight. Here, you'll define specific weight ranges and assign prices for each, like setting a $10 fee for orders weighing between 0 and 2 pounds. Alternatively, you might want to choose Rate by Price, which allows you to determine certain price ranges and designate related shipping costs, such as offering free shipping on orders over $50. Additionally, feel free to explore other options like free shipping, local delivery, or even in-store pickup if applicable. You can establish different rules for each of these options to best meet your business and customer needs. Once you've made all your selections and are happy with the setup, click Save to apply your new shipping settings. And there you have it, a well-organized shipping strategy ready to get your products on the move.